What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to check old messages on Instagram without the hassle of endless scrolling. This little trick is quick, easy, and will save you a lot of time. First, you'll need to open Instagram on your device. Once you're in, tap on the messages icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to your direct messages. From here, pick any conversation where you want to view the very first message sent. Now, here's the trick to bypass the scrolling. Look towards the top right of your screen, where you typically see your Wi-Fi signal and battery icons. If you tap on this area of the screen, your phone will automatically scroll to the top of the page. This is an iPhone feature that works across many apps, allowing quick navigation to the top of any page. It's important to note that Instagram loads messages in segments. So if you have a long conversation history, not all messages will be loaded at once. You might need to tap at the top of the screen a few times to trigger Instagram to load earlier message each time. With each tap, Instagram will load more of your conversation, gradually taking you closer to your first exchanged messages. Keep tapping until you've reached the beginning of your conversation. This method significantly cuts down the time it would take to manually scroll through potentially years of messages. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to revisit your first messages with someone on Instagram without the need to scroll endlessly. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.